Okay, so I apologize for looking like really big crap right now, but I don't have contacts, so I'm having to wear my glasses, and my hair is like really jacked up, but it's totally all good. Stop. Say hi. Quit. Anyways, this is my first video on YouTube, and like I'm seeing a whole bunch of people like posting all over Facebook, um, about that girl that, like ate her own bloody tampon, and we're like watching the music. We're like watching the reaction video right now, and it's like really gross so far. And we just watched her pull it out. So let's see what happens. You can watch our reaction to it. Okay. Totally gonna start this right now.
It's going to be disgusting.
So supposedly
Okay,
she's like
I have
15.
water tears to like drink it, like chase it down.
Something about chasing it? What the fuck? Okay, I'm intrigued.
We got some music.
Oh my god. Oh my god, come on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. She just smelled it. Way to have like a really cool music choice, yeah. Oh, it's so gross. I'm just ready to see her do it already. Like, I'm ready for it. I am ready for it. Oh my god, come on. Shut up, dude. Shut up. Sorry, that's my roommate. Okay, she's getting ready to do it. She's gonna do it. She's getting ready to do it. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Excuse me? That is so fucking fucked up. Oh my god. That is like disgusting. Why? She's like getting ready to puke. Seriously, you're like 14, 15? You know that you can get like STDs and shit from that? Like serious fucking infections? Oh. 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 That is like. Oh. Dude, I have it on full screen. Oh. Ew. Oh my god. Ew. Fucking gross. Dude, I'm gonna get flagged for cussing so much. Oh.
Okay, well, here it is. I got most of it out. You guys are honestly disgusting. I don't even know why I did this. Okay.
Oh my God, children. Kids, I am horrified, and it takes a lot to horrify me. So, congrats. I did it. I watched the video like a trooper, even though my roommate is like over there gagging, like pretty.
I'm gonna fucking throw up. That is like the most disgusting thing in this entire fucking world.
So I apologize, kids, for like no makeup on and my hair being fucked up. Normally, I'll have extensions in and makeup on, and not like this gay ass headband. But so that's what's going on. So I will make a video like every day. But this is my reaction to that video. And it was really gross. Supposedly it's 15-year-old. I don't know, but that's like child pornography and all that stuff.
It's gotta be like against the law.
So gross. Okay, I'm done. Bye.